What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the free One 5G Ace from Motorola. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. I have some news from T-Mobile.com and I'll go ahead and throw the link up in the description down below if you guys want to go ahead and read through this. But T-Mobile is offering a free One 5G Ace from Motorola, and we're going to get into that right now. Alright everyone, so it says T-Mobile is currently running a discount on the Motorola One 5G Ace. For a limited time period, you can get a $264 discount on this smartphone, which means you essentially get the phone for free. In order to get the phone for free, you will need to meet two requirements from T-Mobile. The first is to enroll the phone number under a 24-month installment plan. You will then need to activate a new line of service under an eligible plan. It also says the Motorola One 5G Ace comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, as most of you know. It is powered by a Snapdragon 750 processor with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. So we have some really good specifications. These specifications are pretty much the same as the Galaxy A52 5G and the regular A52, so this is pretty decent. It says around the back, the mid-range phone has 3 cameras available. These cameras consist of a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel lens, and a 2 megapixel camera. In front, there is a 16 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. And as always, obviously, it is going to be basically stock Android with that look. So that's what I really like about Motorola. Motorola's devices are basically Google devices or stock Android, and they get updates like crazy. They get security patches. So I'm really excited about this deal because a lot of people that watch this channel are actually T-Mobile users, and you can get this phone for free. So great stuff right here. It says other notable features include a 5,000 milliamp battery with a 15-watt fast charging capability, NFC, a fingerprint scanner, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which we love. Please keep those on phones. I don't know why they keep taking those off. And a water repellent coating. Upon release, the device runs on Android 10 OS. I'm pretty sure it's going to upgrade to 11 just because Motorola tends to give their users updates. Also, if you guys can't get this deal or you aren't eligible, you can always finance this device for $11 a month for 24 months. And the full price obviously is $264. Also, super fast 5G speed, over 2 days of power, and 5G gaming on the go. So as you guys know, 5G has definitely upgraded the gaming experience for everybody. It's pretty much real-time gaming for all those gamers out there, so it is definitely a good time to play video games on 5G. But yeah, this is a really good deal. I'll update you guys with some more deals later on. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to go ahead and drop your opinion on what you think about this deal, definitely go ahead and do so in the comment section below as well. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.